We are the People's Channel.
Blessed up once more football from Yard Massive. The Reggae Girlz are over in Australia in the 4-team Nations Cup as they continue the preparation for this summer's World Cup. A few days ago, the team opened the tournament with a disappointing 3-0 defeat to Spain. Next up for Jamaica will be a match against the Czech Republic at the Combank Stadium in Sydney, Australia. Kickoff is scheduled for 10:50 p.m. Jamaican time. The match against Spain was largely one-way traffic. The girls can be cut some slack given that they were flying halfway around the world, and some of the players didn't arrive in Australia with much time to spare. To make matters worse, star striker Khadija Bunny Shaw is unavailable due to personal reasons. From those available, head coach Lauren Donaldson selected a starting lineup that included goalkeeper Rebecca Spencer, along with a defence that included the Swaby sisters and Tierney Wilshire. A new addition to the backline was debutant Victoria Williams, a 32-year-old defender from Brighton and Hove Albion. Paige Bailey-Gayle and Denisha Blackwood were playing on the flanks, along with Atlanta Primus and Drew Spence in the midfield. Kayla McCoy and Shayna Matthews were the primary attackers. Spain ran circles around the ladies, with Real Madrid's Esther Gonzalez in particular causing a lot of pain. Gonzalez was joined by Matia Roz and Fiamma Benitez on the score sheet. Jamaica never looked like scoring or keeping possession of the ball for long periods of time. On a positive note, Rachel Jones, who's in her second year of law school at the University of North Carolina, and University of Tennessee's freshman Cameron Simmons appeared lively when they entered the fray. Their movement was certainly a breath of fresh air. Wilshire also looked very good at wingback, displaying her usual fighting spirit and improved play in possession of the ball. The 28th ranked Czech Republic is a notch below 7th ranked Spain in terms of ability. In their opening match against host nation Australia, Czech Republic team was demolished 4-0 by the host nation. With the team now properly settled in Australia, rested and able to conduct real training sessions, the Reggae Girls should have a bit more spring in their step. Given Jones's energy, it would be good to see if she is as effective from the start of the match. The team could also use the pace of Jodie Brown on the flank, as she completely alters the team's attack with her threat to go behind the defense. Coach Donaldson is using the tournament to provide his starting lineup with exposure to strong competition in the build-up to the World Cup, and identify players who can fight their way into the starting lineup or the squad. At the moment, very few players have differentiated themselves from the rest of the pack, but there are still 2 more games to go and quite a few training sessions as well. We'll see who's ready to grab the opportunity. Respect as always. Linkage next time.